Hi everyone, I am Praveen and welcome back to PV Tech. Today we are going to see how to edit your video and photo with KineMaster. To edit, first we have to select the ratio. The comfortable ratio is 16:9. And then we have to select the video or the photo we are going to edit. It will show all the apps in your phone and the screenshots, WhatsApp images. You have to select the video or photo to edit. Now I am going to import the screenshots. It will display the image and also the frame at the bottom. We can increase and decrease the frame. I am going to increase to somewhat 14 seconds. If we want to edit this, we have to click that frame. Now we are going to see how to zoom it. We should go to pan and zoom option and we can select the zoom ratio of start position and end position. If we click the equal button, it will display the same ratio of zoom in start position and even in end position. Even we can zoom the video. This red line at the bottom is the cursor and we can keep the cursor at any place and we can edit. For type text, we have to choose the layer and go to text option. For example, I am going to type PV Tech. We can make this text larger and smaller. I am going to keep in this ratio. We can even rotate this text. I am going to font and we can choose any font we want. My favorite is Latin B1. So I am clicking it and setting. We can choose the color of the text also. I am going to select the golden color. Even we can increase the timeline and decrease the timeline of the text. Now I am going to select the intro of this text. Fade, pop, slide right, slide left, counterclockwise, converge, letter by letter. I am going to select this intro. Now I am going to select this outro. Now I can select the alpha opacity of this text, the transparency of this text. It should be very light or darker. I can make this image upside down, mirror image, tilt it to all the sides. I can choose outline, glow, shadow and everything in this text. Now I am going to select the effect for this video. These are all the basic effects. And then I have downloaded an effect from the store known as vignette. We can choose the frame of the vignette to a larger or decreaser. Now I don't need this vignette, so I am going to delete it. And at last, in this layer option, there is media. We can import any image or video on this screen. I am going to import this stars image. We can zoom this also and create intro and outro animation for this. Longer the frame is, longer the timeline. In this animation, you can see the timeline that is only till 1.5 starting with 0.5. But now if I increase the frame, you can see the timeline is increased till 6. If you want audio to import, you can click the option audio in this and we can select the audio which is in your device and even we can download music from the asset store. And friends, this is the basic features of this KineMaster. In the upcoming videos, I will show the next level features of this app. If you like this, like my video, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye.